Back with 2018-19 SP Game Used Hockey 2-box break number 2. 2 boxes here, and we'll start with randomizing all the participants' names 3 times. 1, 2, third and final time, 3. Perfect. We'll move all those over to Excel and then randomize the 31 NHL teams. Here they are, 3 times as well. 1, 2, 3. Move them over to Excel and we'll see where everyone's at. Put this in alphabetical. Perfect. So out at 87 has the Canucks, Bigato 79 has the Penguins and the Kings, Blower 35 has the Blues, Barbara 71-61 has the Jets, Flames, Ducks, Panthers, True to the Game has the Stars, Isra Sandra has the Flyers, Jock Howd 0 has the Knights, Avalanche and the Sabres, Legat _68 has the Capitals, MCG9 _38 has the Oilers, Lightning, Wings, Blackhawks, Jackets. Rochero 0 has the Canadiens, Hurricanes, Predators, Devils, Leafs, Wild, Islanders, Rangers, Coyotes. Sabinel 0 has the Senators, and Superman on skates has the Bruins and the Sharks. Alright. Box 1. Authentic rookies out of $2.99 Euro Vakanainen for the Bruins. Authentic rookies Isaac Lunderstorm for the Ducks out of $2.99. Jersey for Ricard Raquel for the Ducks again. Back here for the Canucks, Adam Gaudette jersey out of $4.99 for the Canucks. Ooh, nice patch there. Ovechkin and Holtby. Dual patch from the skills competition out of 25. That will be for the Capitals. And the last card of this box is Jersey Auto. Christian Vesalainen for the Winnipeg Jets. That's box 1. Box 2. First card is a Blake Hillman out of $2.96 for the Blackhawks. Next is a Dylan Gambrell rookies out of $2.96 for the Sharks. For the Leafs, Patrick Marleau, jersey. Patrick Kane for the Chicago Blackhawks, jersey. A Brock Besser banner year for the Canucks. Pretty cool from the All-Star game for the Vancouver Canucks. And the final hit of the break. Ooh, very nice. A Maxime Quantal for the Ducks. 3-color patch auto out of 49. Alright, and that's the break. Thanks for joining.